With the VINUBIS Full Editor edition, we give you the complete control over your own storyboard. For that we provide a lot of different looks for each video style that you can choose. You can use picture-in-picture effects, you can use different layouts, different looks, you can one-shot, you can highlight, you can do everything. Let me show you how this is working. To use the full editor of VINUBIS, you just click on the edition, choose it, and then you simply choose one of the styles, the video styles. It's also called the template. And every video style now is coming with different looks. And when we start to set up the first scene for our individual storyboard, we have to have a look on what kind of look we want to provide. And of course, for example, in this case, I want to show an intro first. So I'm choosing the intro and I'm typing in some text like what is VINUBIS? So this will be my intro text, and then it's done. I have done my first scene here. Now I can make another scene. Like for example, let's go on with an outro. So I'm using again the outro pointer here, put it there, get some text on it, and saying come to visit us on vinubis.com. So it's a kind of call to action at the end of the video. And then I want to have a third scene, for example, and this scene should be, let's say, a full screen look, and I want to show, of course, for example, one of the videos I uploaded. Let's take my colleague here, she's speaking about VINUBIS, and I will give it a title like this is Miriam from VINUBIS. Let's type in the URL too, I have a second line, and now I can edit, of course, the video a little bit. I play it, take the scissors and cut it at the beginning, so I want the video start when she's starting, and of course I want the video to end when she's ending. Perfect. So I did the first edit. Now what I can do further on is to put some inserts, some picture-in-picture effect. I want to show you how this is working. So I put the cursor somewhere where I want to start, and then I simply press the plus button, and then I have the possibility to choose again one of the looks especially made for this style. And let's take this one. It shows two pictures, the main picture with Miriam talking and another picture I can choose. And the content for that is quite simple. So I'm choosing a file that is maybe this one, and I can edit it again, so I can trim it, and if I want I can add another one. So let's add another clip, and therefore I choose this one. Even this one I can edit again. At the moment I don't need it, I can just fold it again. So I have two files I want to show as a picture-in-picture while my colleague is talking. This is a functionality that is not provided in all the other editions. This is only available in the full editor edition. Of course I can type in some text like Miriam talking about VINUBIS, and let's make it done. The next part is that I can bring my scenes in line. So let's go here and say the main video should appear between intro and outro, for example. That's quite important. So I drag and drop it, I put it done, and that's it. So now I have a final video done with my own storyboard. I can add a lot of more scenes, I can add interviews, I can even change, for example, the point where the insert is coming. I can jump back to the insert and edit it a little bit. I can delete or add new files. Whatever I want to do, I can add another insert if I wanted. But when my video is done and when it's ready, I'm simply click on render the video, and now VINUBIS is doing all the part, like in the other editions too. It's now time for you to grab a coffee, go for lunch, or even shut down the computer, because VINUBIS will do the rest for you. And at the end, you will find it in the video list. And then you can share this video wherever you want.
Hi everyone! This is a brief example of how a video you recorded with your own device and created in VINUBIS afterwards could look like. With VINUBIS, you can turn your recordings into professional-looking videos appearing in your very own corporate design. VINUBIS enables you to produce high-quality videos in high quantity. It is a browser-based system, wherever you need it, whenever you need it.